Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrul Hassan, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. My dear student, I hope you are fine and your study going on smoothly. Today I want to discuss about very interesting topic. Which topic? Our today's topic is quadratic equation. Look at the board. What is quadratic equation? In mathematics, a quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of the second degree. One thing is very important for you. For quadratic equation, the highest power of variable must be 2. General form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. For this equation, here look at this. X is an unknown variable and a, b, c are constant. And one thing is very important for a quadratic equation. Here a not equal 0. A not equal 0, because if a is 0, then this equation will be linear equation. This equation will be linear equation. That's why a not equal 0. That's why a not equal 0. Now for example, look at this example. X square equals to 0. 2x square minus 50 equals to 0. 2x square plus 5x plus 8 equals to 0. These are all quadratic equations. General solution of quadratic equation, here ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now multiplying by 4a, we can write 4a into ax square plus 4a into bx plus 4a c equals to 0. Here multiplying by 4a. Now after this line, 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4ac equals to 0. Here 4a square x square, we can write 2ax whole square plus, here for this part we can write 2 into twice ax into b and plus b square, but there is no b square, so we can write minus b square for balance, plus 4ac equals to 0. And here after this line, 2ax whole square plus 2 into twice ax into b plus b square equals to, after side change we can write here minus b square, it will be plus b square, and plus 4ac, it will be minus 4ac. So, and now for this part we can write 2ax plus b whole square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. Like this a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here 2ax plus b whole square and equals to, and b square minus 4ac, and look at this here b square. So now square root, it will be, now after square root it will be 2ax plus b equals to plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Here after this line we can write here 2ax equals to plus b, after side change it will be minus b and plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, and here 2ax, so it will be x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 2 minus 4ac and by 2a. So minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a and minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a is the general solution of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now another important topic, discriminant. If the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 are x1 and x2, then x1 equals to minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a, and another root is x2 equals to minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a. The nature of roots of the equation are dependent on b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is called b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the roots, which is generally denoted by d. Now determination of the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Number 1, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and it's a perfect square, then the two roots of the equation are real, unequal and rational. Look at this. Here ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation, and where a not equal 0 and a, b, c are real number. A, B, C are real number. So already we know that the roots of this equation x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. Suppose a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 1. These are all real number. These are all real number. Now putting this value in this equation, x equals to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1 and by 2 into 2. Now after this line we can write here x equals to, after calculation it will be minus 1 plus minus square root 9 by 4. Look at this. Here square root 9. So b square minus 4ac equals to 9. Here 9 is a perfect square number and also greater than 0. So we can write here x equals to minus 1 plus minus 3 by 4, and after calculation it will be here minus 1 and plus 3, it will be 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, and minus 1 and minus 3, it will be minus 4 by 4. So we can write here minus 1. Look at this. These are two roots. 1 by 2 and minus 1. And here 1 by 2 and minus 1 are real, and 1 by 2 and minus 1 are unequal and also rational number. Now condition number 2. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and it's not a perfect square, then the two roots of the equation are real, unequal and irrational number. Already we know that the roots of quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a. Suppose a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 1. They are all real number, and now putting this value in this equation, so it will be here minus b equals to 3, that means minus 3 plus minus square root b square. B square means 9, b square means 3 square, so it will be 9 minus 4 into a into 1, c means minus 1, so minus 1 by 2 into a means 1. Okay, now calculation, minus 3 plus minus square root 9 plus 4 by 2. Here minus 3 plus minus square root 13 by 2. Look at this. Here two roots are x equals to minus 3 plus root over 13 by 2, and another root is minus 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Look at this. These two roots are real number and unequal and also irrational number. Now condition number 3. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the two roots of the equation are real and equal. We know that the root of quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a. Suppose a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 4. Now putting this value in this equation, x equals to here minus 4 plus minus square root minus 4 plus minus square root minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into c equals to 4. Now 2 into a equals to 1. Now after this line we can write here x equals to here minus into minus 4, it will be 4 plus minus square root minus 4 square, it will be 16 minus 4 into 4, that means 16, so 16 minus 16 by 2. X equals to 4 plus minus 0 by 2. So our two roots are x equals to 2, 2. Look at this here. 2 and 2 are same. And these are also real number. Now condition number 4. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the two roots of the equation are not real. Here the roots of quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a. Suppose a equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 3. Now putting this value, x equals to here b equals to 2, so minus 2 plus minus square root b square, it will be 2 square minus 4 into 1 into c, that means 1 into 3 by 2 into 1. Now after this line it will be minus 2 plus minus square root 4 minus 12 by 2. And now here x equals to minus 2 plus minus square root 4 minus 12, it will be minus 8 and by 2. Look at this here, square root minus 8, it's not a real number. It's not a real number. In this case, the roots of quadratic equation are always conjugate complex or imaginary number. Now mathematical problem. Our first mathematical problem is 2x square plus 9x plus 9 equals to 0. Solution: comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get a equals to here 2, b equals to 9 and c equals to 9. All we know that the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. So the solution of the given equation, the solution of the given equation is x equals to here minus b equals to 9 minus 9 plus minus square root b square, that means 9 square, minus 4 into a equals to 2, so 4 into 2 into c equals to 9 into 9 by 2 into 2. And now after this line here x equals to, look at this, minus 9 plus minus square root 9 square, it will be 81, and minus 4 into 2 into 9, it will be 72 by 2 into 2, that means 4. Now x equals to minus 9 plus minus square root 9 by 4, and here x equals to minus 9 plus minus 3 by 4. After this line we can write x equals to minus 9 plus 3 by 4, and another one is minus 9 minus 3 by 4. So our answer will be minus 3 by 2, and here minus 9 and minus 3, it will be minus 12 by 4. Minus 12 by 4, that means minus 3. X equals to minus 3 by 2 and minus 3. So our required answer is required solution x equals to minus 3 by 2 and minus 3. My dear students, no more today. See you again in the next class.